Okay, good afternoon, guys. Okay, so how do you feel with the activity?
Happy, sir. It's enjoying.
Enjoying, great. Okay, now Grace, introduce your group.
So our group is named Jam from the initials of our name. So
Alan Jake Tamani. Alan Jake Tamani.
Okay, next.
Joshua Medina.
Michelle Lafamia.
Okay, so Madam Leader, okay, can you give the importance of doing this particular solar cooking challenge?
This solar cooking challenge enables the youth to discover alternative energy source in cooking.
Okay.
That's the importance of this experiment or activity.
Okay, another. Okay, so from your group, okay, what could be the importance of doing this activity? Or would you like to share? Would you like to add?
This activity is very enjoying and we're having so much fun and it's really a great experience and we will not forget this.
Wow, very good. Okay, Honey Grace, would you please introduce your involvement about SEED, your position?
So I don't have any position in SEED, but I was involved in SEED for almost 3 years.
Wow, okay. So, do you have any cheer with your group? Once again, what's the name of your group?
Jam.
Jam. Okay, so any cheer with your group? Okay, none?
Go, Jam. Go, Jam.
Okay, thank you so much.